Here's the fact of the matter about Python is that Python could actually be made much faster, and that there's nothing wrong with the language, and there's nothing wrong with the fact that it's an interpreted language at that. There are a number of different tricks that you can use to get much better performance out of Python. But in general, for certain things, like interpreted's not going to be what you want. And not to mention, um, the kinds of things that you build with one tool should not necessarily be what you build with everything. However, all programming languages being Turing complete implies you can build anything and anything. So you have to ask yourself, what is it about Python, perhaps? And is there a way to make it faster? And are there techniques that we can come up with in order to do that? And what about it is exactly slow when you attempt to do thing A or thing B? So, a lot of people used to argue, in a very similar way. In fact, a friend of mine who used to work at Raytheon, I had a discussion about Python with him because I was really super pro Python, and I still like it and I still do stuff with it, but it's not what I do game dev or programming with, right? Or not, sorry, it's not what I do game dev or 3D stuff with right now. Um, his argument against Python was that at the time there were no true threading capabilities. True threading in that